Bicycle Assembly and Maintenance, a complete guide. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll guide you through the parts of a bicycle, how to assemble it, and some basic maintenance tips. Let's get started. Introduction to bicycle parts. First, let's get familiar with the main parts of a bicycle. Frame. The frame is the backbone of the bicycle. It's usually made of aluminium, steel, or carbon fiber. Wheels. Each wheel consists of a tire, rim, spokes, and hub. Handlebars. The handlebars are used for steering and come with brake levers and gear shifters. Bicycle seat. The seat is where you sit, and it's attached to the seat post. Pedals. Pedals are where you place your feet to propel the bicycle. Chain and drivetrain. The chain rings, and derailleurs make up the drivetrain, which transfers power from your legs to the wheels. Brakes. Brakes are crucial for stopping. Assembling the bicycle. Step-by-step assembly of a bicycle. Now, let's assemble the bicycle. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Attach the frame and fork. Connecting the fork to the frame. Start by attaching the fork to the frame using the headset. Step 2. Install the handlebars. Securing the handlebars in place. Next, install the handlebars and ensure they're aligned properly. Step 3. Add the wheels. Fixing the wheels to the frame. Attach the front and rear wheels. Make sure the quick-release skewers are tight. Narration. Insert the seat post and adjust the saddle to your desired height. Step 5. Install the pedals. Screwing in the pedals. Screw in the pedals. Remember, the left pedal is reverse threaded. Step 6. Connect the drivetrain. Attaching the chain and derailleurs. Attach the chain and connect the front and rear derailleurs. Basic maintenance and fixes. Demonstrations of basic bicycle maintenance tasks. To keep your bicycle running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Here are some tips. Fixing a flat tire. Removing the tire, replacing the tube, and reassembling the wheel. If you get a flat tire, remove the wheel, replace the tube, and pump it up. Adjusting the brakes. Tightening the brake cables and aligning the brake pads. Ensure your brakes are responsive by tightening the brake cables and aligning the brake pads. Lubricating the chain. Applying lubricant to the chain. Keep the chain well lubricated to ensure smooth shifting and reduce wear. A fully assembled bicycle ready for a ride. And there you have it. Your bicycle is now ready to ride. Remember, regular maintenance will keep your bike in top condition. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.